Benefits of fasting. Fasting is the practice of voluntarily abstaining from food or drink for a specific period of time. While fasting has cultural and religious significance in various traditions, it has also gained attention for its potential health benefits. Here are some of the benefits associated with fasting. 1. Weight loss. Fasting can be an effective strategy for weight management. By restricting calorie intake during fasting periods, the body is more likely to burn stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. It can help regulate insulin production, potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes and managing the condition in those already diagnosed. 3. Cellular repair and autophagy. During fasting, the body initiates a cellular repair process called autophagy. This mechanism involves the removal of old and dysfunctional proteins and cellular components, leading to improved cellular health and longevity. 4. Enhanced brain function. Some research suggests that fasting may have neuroprotective effects and improve cognitive function. It may stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein associated with improved brain health and increased resistance to age-related neurodegenerative diseases. 5. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation markers in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 6. Potential longevity benefits. Some animal studies indicate that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan. While more research is needed, fasting may have anti-aging effects by promoting cellular regeneration, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting overall health. 7. Improved cardiovascular health. Fasting has been associated with improvements in several cardiovascular risk factors, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglyceride levels. These changes can contribute to a reduced risk of heart disease,